We're having a look at my variegated Chilean guava. If you look here, its name is Flambeau. It's a really attractive little one. I got it a few months ago now. I got it back in April, and we are in September. And in that time, it's gone from being a really small little thing. I actually bought it online from Amazon, and it came as a little tiny thing, and it's just put on so much growth, and it has beautiful coloration here. It had quite a few flowers in the spring, and they turned into these little berries that were really funny because they too were variegated. There's one left here. It did actually have quite a bit of a fruit drop. I mean, it's the first year I've had it, but if you look here, even the berries on this cultivar here are variegated. See the little stripes on them? It's really funny, but yeah, it's a sweet little thing. And the berries, of course, I've tasted them with the other Chilean guavas, and they're so delicious. They're a bit strawberryish, a bit tropical, just really tasty little things. Tastes a bit like bubble gum, super yummy. But so I hope this is going to have more, and it's growing so much. I've taken some cuttings from it, which also seem to be doing well. But what I want to do today is I need to repot it. We're in the end, well, sort of the last part, well, the second part of September. And if you look here, all the roots are coming through at the bottom. So I do need to get this little plant out and get him repotted. So I'll just get on with doing that. I've got a nice little pot ready for him, just to get him in a good sized pot so he's got enough space to be in, and also one that's winter hardy because it's getting colder now and I want to make sure he can stay outside. They can be hardy down to -10 degrees Celsius, and we don't get those kind of super low temperatures here. So he should be totally fine outside. But I want to put him in a nice pot that won't freeze while he's outside all winter. So I'm just going to pot it up and I'll give you a look. So I've got him all potted up here. He's looking really beautiful. I gave him a little bit of a feed with some fish blood and bone, and I'm going to keep him in a little enclosed courtyard that's going to protect him from cold winds, because the one thing that can really be quite damaging for these plants that actually come, of course, from Chile is really cold winds. So hopefully he'll do well, and I look forward to getting lots of berries next year, many more than we've gotten this year. I think we had a really funny year with really hot summer, and I don't know what happened, but yeah, he didn't have many berries at all. He had quite a few flowers, so hopefully he'll have them again next year and we'll have lots and lots of berries. But they're really tasty things and so much fun to grow. So we'll see how it goes, and see you next time. Until then, happy gardening!